This video walks you through on how to solve mathematics problem with the help of Google Gemini. Launch our web browser, and here we are going to use Google Chrome for this. Visit gemini.google.com. Look at the web link here, so I'll press enter key of my computer keyboard for it to load. This model here is Flash. The AI Google Gemini model chosen by default is Flash. Click on this drop down and select the 3.1 Pro, which is Advanced Math and Code. So this makes this AI tool to be in the mood of solving problems based on mathematics, all right, or something related to coding. Okay, so choose it to get the more accurate answer. Then the next thing is to ask this equation to solve a particular mathematics equation for you or mathematics problem. But what I want us to solve here is simultaneous equation. So if I start typing it here and press enter, it will send this command to this AI, which is not okay. So what I advise you to do is to find a word processor, just like I have Notepad here. I have typed the equation, I'll copy and paste them. Another thing that I can do that for you is Microsoft Word or any other word processor. Just type the equation, then copy it the way I'm doing right now, and then go back there and paste. So Ctrl V to paste it here. So this phrase, solve the simultaneous equation below. Then after that, click on this submit button. So let's see what it gives to us. All right, this has returned the result to us. You see, to solve the simultaneous equation, this is equation 1, this is equation 2, and it takes us step by step. At the end, it found that y is equals to 1. Then it kept going and it found out that x is equals to 4. Again, say checking simultaneous equation by 2 to verify. So now it keeps on going until the last. Okay, in some cases it may even give you draft, all right, to explain more about this, but it stops here, which is the correct answer. So what if a situation whereby you have the image of the equation you want it to solve for you? Can this Gemini do that? Yes, it can. So let's try it and see how it's going to work. So I'll click on this new chart. So let's upload image. But before then, let me show you the image of this, because I've taken a screenshot of it so that you know it's the same thing and for us to see if it will give us the same answers. I took the screenshot. So we're going to upload this and ask the AI to solve the problem. So I'll click on this plus sign, click on upload files, then math problem. I'll click on it and click on open. So I will say solve the simultaneous equations, send it. Okay, so you can see it has detected the equations. So let's scroll down, look at how it did it, and in this case it has found that x is 4 and it has found that y is y, which is still the same question. Okay, the same result we got when we inserted text. So use this approach to solve your mathematics problems, even the complex ones. It's either you give it the text or you upload the image and prompt it to solve it for you. If this helps, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave a comment in the comment section. See you some other time.